Okay, we got a video for the LZ A7. It's the latest offering from LZ. Comes in a nice faux wood case. Don't really care, save the trees. It looks nice. Open it up. This is a single dynamic. Right here. Single dynamic, 4 balanced armature, and 2 piezo electric ceramic drivers, which is going to be interesting. This is a quality control card. Noteworthy because I've never had an issue with LZ gear. It's never been faulty. There's never been problems. Here's the owner's manual. It's got a nice green case. You can see the blue accent on the left side and then the red on the right. You can also see those switches. We'll take a closer look at that in a second. If you have this set, you can go ahead and make comments and suggestions for which filter you think really does it. I'm not a treble head. I like detail, but I'm not a treble head. Go ahead and take that out. Do I need to push that out? It should be just a cable in here. Let's take that off. Take the cable out. Take a look at that in a second. Close look at these. You can see the switch and then the accent on the inside. I'm fairly sure that that's just decorative and there's nothing practical about the what looks like a vent on the side. Go ahead and take that out. On the inside we've got various tips. I usually like those blue ones right there, large size, and then a device usually used for removing SD cards, but recently because a lot of things have switches on them, you can go ahead and use those to flip the switch instead of a pencil or something that might break it. So you get that. Then you've got what usually comes with LZ earphones, and that is the filters. I think I've graphed a few of them, and some of the ones they just changed the treble and not the bass, or vice versa. Comments about these filters and which ones give a warm bass with the detail, because there might be some compensation for those two ceramics, unless they really nailed it. Let me go ahead and pull this out of the way. Let's get a closer look at this. You can see their name. They put it on everything. There's right. There's also red. Redundancy galore. That's cool. That is not wanting to come off. Okay. And this would be the stock filter that comes with it. Got that black fabric like on Sony's, which I actually like, instead of like paper. White cotton, make sure that's in there. Go ahead and give brief listening impressions using a Canon N3 Pro. That's the bud right there. Take a quick look at the cable. MMCX. It's got a chin slider that actually works and does its job. 3.5 termination, it's straight in, it's not right angled. It feels nice and soft, no problem. It's got rubber on the ear hooks. Doesn't seem bad. I'll go ahead and check it out and give some quick impressions. Since you're the star of the show, let's put you over there. There we go. Okay, giving very brief impressions, listening to really 3 songs on the Canon N3 Pro. Listen to Tupac Ambitions as a Rider. The bass sounded not overwhelming on stock settings. I didn't hit the switches yet, and I have not changed the filters, so recommendations below would be nice. You're the reviewer, dude. Why don't you check? We got communities, and I do reviews of lots and lots of sets. Some people might be in love with this and want to say, hey, you know what? Why don't you try this filter and hit this switch and save me trouble and put this in the best light possible. So recommendations are welcome down below. The cymbal energy in stock configuration without switches moved, I can hear good energy in the cymbals on Gimme 3 Steps by Leonard Skinner that's playing actually right now. It sounds good, it fits. This is another one of those sets which is a rare bird, where the fit is perfect right out of the box. The Unique Melody MEST did that, and this set's doing that as well. I do mix martial arts and get kicked in the head a lot, but not so much recently, so maybe my ears have stabilized and they're morphing, because these fit really good. Fit is good. Sound on first blush, first impression sounds, nothing's jumping out at me that's bad. Review will definitely be coming up for this, and if you got it and you love it, how are you using it? Let me know, please. And that's it. I'll go ahead and put this up. Shows live on stage with hoes yelling my name. To be precise, ripping mics is the light of my life. You frontin' like you try for never.